Hello my dear friends, how are you all? This is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is very interesting thing, that is handmade embroidery mobile cover. So here I have created this beautiful embroidery work on 300 GSM white cardstock, and after learning the process you can create so many. So let's get started. Here I am taking this 300 GSM 7 by 14.5 centimeter cardstock, and this is according to the size of my mobile cover, so you can take it up to your mobile cover size. And first of all I am just chopping all the corners and curving it using my scissor. And for this kind of thing you have to have transparent mobile cover so that you can flaunt your embroidery work. So this is done. Now I am putting this sheet inside my mobile cover and tracing the section of the camera which we have to cut. So this is traced, and now to cutting this I am using my X-Acto knife and scissor. So this is ready. Now on the place of flash I am cutting one small circle using hole punch machine. So our base for embroidery work is ready. Now randomly I am drawing some stems here and there from bottom towards the upward side using my pencil. You can do it in any direction, some in smaller size, some in bigger size. Just don't make too many, 7/8 are sufficient. Like this. And then I am showing you how to create holes on the paper. So just put a thick bunch of tissue paper behind your paper and take any pointed object like pointed needle or pointed tweezers, anything from which you can poke the holes easily, and start poking the holes after each 2 mm gap. And I am repeating this process on each stem. So it should look like this, just completing remaining stems. Now here I am taking light green color embroidery thread, and all the embroidery threads are having 6 strands, so I am just separating 2 strands from that, putting 2 strands inside the needle and gathering both the sides together and creating a knot in the bottom. So now we have 4 strands to work with. Create a thin knot because we don't want to add too many layering on back of our cardstock. Now I am showing you one of the stems. So here I am doing simple stem stitch, passing the needle from back side like this from topmost hole, and then leaving one hole, alternatively doing the stitch, passing my needle to third hole. Now from right side I am putting my needle from back side on second hole, again alternatively skipping one hole, and on next hole I am passing my needle, and we have to repeat this process till end of the stem. So this is completely ready. Now just creating a knot from back side, cutting excess thread, and I'm securing these extra thread strands using liquid glue so that it will not move and it will be flat when we will put it inside the mobile cover. Similarly, I am going to complete remaining stems, and now alternatively I am adding one more color of green here, that is in darker shade, and doing the same process, that is the stem stitch. So this is also done. From back side I am securing the thread using glue, and our all stems are ready. Now to create lavender flowers, here I am taking 3 shades of embroidery thread, that is in light lavender, medium lavender and darker tone of the lavender shade. I have already put double strands of 2 layers on my needle, and I have created some lavenders already. So now I am showing you the bigger one. Again we had to poke the holes, so I am making some markings using pencil on both sides of the stem like this. Super easy. And then on same marking I am making the holes. Like this. Just erase the pencil work before starting with the embroidery work. Then putting the lighter thread from first hole, and I am doing lazy daisy stitch. Now pass from the same hole downward, create the loop like this, and taking out the needle from bottom on topmost hole. Pull your thread and you will have this beautiful loop design. Now from the same topmost hole I am passing my needle down, and this is one lazy daisy stitch. Similarly I am going to repeat it on left and right sides using same shade. Now from back side I am making one knot, cutting excess thread, and then it's time to change the color from lighter to the medium tone. So repeating the same process for 2 lazy daisy stitch on both the sides. And after that I will make some more in the bottom using darker tone of the purple color. So this is completely ready. Now on the dark green stem I am going to do some French knots. So first I am poking holes on both sides of the stem. This time I am making holes very near to the stem because we want the French knot look dense. Now from topmost portion I am passing yellow thread. Wrapping the thread around needle for 2 times, hold the thread tightly and passing my needle from same hole. Pull the thread and you will have first French knot. Very easy. Similarly, going to repeat the process on remaining holes. And completing the pattern till the end, and also doing some more French knots. Now it's time to make some leaves. So randomly I have made some holes as leaf shape using light green color thread. Repeating this in the bottom as well, and then here and there I am doing some small branches using dark green color thread, and here I am using back stitch technique. Similarly making some more here and there, and now for the finishing touch I am using 3 to 4 shades of pencil colors and creating the grass in the bottom so that the bottom part will look dense and it will also give the realistic look to our work. And the beautiful embroidery work is ready. Now I'm putting it inside my mobile cover. This is very neat and clean from other side as well, and also putting my mobile inside this, and tada, our beautiful hand embroidery pattern is completely ready. I'm just loving the outcome so much, and in this way you can play with different stitches and create small patterns on your handmade mobile cover to give it luxurious look. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.